This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Rahul Chatterjee. Assam Government has started construction works of 119 model high schools at tea garden areas. Classrooms, teachers' restrooms, separate toilets for Divyangs and girls and boys, among others, will be constructed in the proposed model schools. The foundation laying ceremonies were at various districts. Chief Minister Sarvananda Sonowal laid the foundation stone of a model high school at Manipur Tea Garden in Sivsagar district. On this occasion, Sonowal said a slew of development measures have been taken by his government for the tea garden areas. He said that the new high schools would further improve the education scenario of the garden areas in the state. In Assam, educational institutes, including private from upper primary to university level, will be reopened today in the state. Principal Secretary in the Education Department, B. Kalyan Chakravarti, said that classes will be resumed following all COVID-19 protocols. However, attendance of students are not to be enforced and will be purely based on parental consent. On the other hand, hostels of all educational institutions are to remain closed till further orders. Chakravarti said that in respect of colleges, staggered timetable will be followed and final decision will be taken by the college authorities. The Education Department further said that online mode of education will also be continued for students who prefer to attend classes online instead of physical classes. In Manipur, 3 persons expired due to COVID-19, increasing the total fatality due to the pandemic in the state to 171. On the other hand, 248 persons, including 1 personnel from the Central Armed Police Force, were confirmed as new COVID-19 positive cases in Manipur yesterday, thus making the total count of positive cases so far in the state to 18,750. Among the new cases, 247 persons are local and do not have travel history. They are suspected to be infected through local transmission. 203 persons were discharged in the state and the recovery rate has improved to 80.34%. So far, Manipur has recorded total recovered and discharged cases of 15,065, while the number of active cases is 3,514. In Nagaland, 28 people tested positive for COVID-19, taking the total number of affected people to 9,075 in the state. According to the State Health Department, among the new cases, 22 were detected from Dimapur, 4 from Kohima and 1 each from Mon and Langrin district. Meanwhile, 79 affected people have recovered. At present, the state has 1,499 active cases, while 7,454 people have recovered so far. Out of a total of 41 registered deaths in the state, 33 people have died due to COVID-19 so far. 6 deaths are not COVID-related and 2 deaths are under investigation, while 81 people have migrated. The daughters of Mei-ieit Spility Lyngdoh Langrin, the Iron Lady of Meghalaya, who stood firm against uranium mining in Domyasyat area in Meghalaya's southwest Khasi Hills district, have made their stance clear that they will continue to oppose uranium mining. Speaking to media persons, Sinola Lyngdoh Langrin, the elder daughter of Mei-ieit Spility, said she will continue opposing uranium mining in her area because of the adverse impact of uranium on the health of people and animals. A 4-year-old girl from Mizoram has charmed internet users with her soulful rendition of famous music composer A.R. Rahman's version of the national song Vande Mataram. Prime Minister Modi has praised the child Esther Namte for singing a modern version of the national song Vande Mataram. Tagging Mizoram Chief Minister's tweet and the video of the girl's rendition of Ma Tujhe Salam Vande Mataram, Prime Minister Modi tweeted, making comments as adorable and admirable, proud of Esther Namte for this rendition. 4-year-old Esther's rendition of Vande Mataram has already caught the attention of scores of internet users. The video was uploaded on Esther Namte's YouTube channel on October 25th, which has over 74,000 subscribers. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.